Good morning, with Mandiri Tuling. How I can help you?
Morning, sir. Like this yesterday, I bought safety shoes. There is a hole under the sole. I asked for the money back.
Okay, sure. Can you please state the order code?
Okay, this BL6541CF.
Okay, sure. I'll check order again. Is the order with black safety shoes size 41, right?
Yes, it is true.
Okay, sure. I really regret your complaint and apologize for our mistake. Like this shirt, the good days have been purchased cannot be written in the form of money. But the item can be exchanged for a new one. So, shirt.
Anyway, no matter how I want my item to fit and have no defects.
Okay, shirt. Please log into our account, then select the return of good menu and write down the reason. After that, we will process.
Okay, sure. I will do it.
Okay, thank you for connecting us. Sorry for the inconvenience. Good morning.
Morning, sure.